everyone, I am Jyothi from JSM 72 batch, Jspiders Rajajinagar. Jspider is a very good platform for beginners who have a wish to learn technical languages and have a goal to get placed in a good IT company. The trainers are very good in teaching, especially Uday sir. Uday sir's way of teaching is excellent, and the way he understands the concept to the student is also good. The teaching of Keshav sir is also good, and he is so much friendly to students. If you go with any kind of queries or doubts, he will resolve it within a day. And Bhuvan sir is very good in teaching the SQL, and he teaches SQL with making comedies that makes us to learn easily and get things easily. And HR also very supportive in the sense of giving opportunities for students to get placed in a good company. We got a lot of interviews from Jspiders. I wish to say thanks for the whole team of Jspiders Rajajinagar to help me to get placed in very good company. Thank you.